Do you remember this letter? Beautiful. Dal. Dal. Dal pronounced as D in English. So when you have dal with fatha on the top, you add A to it. So it's gonna be excellent. Da. Da. What about dal with kasra underneath it? Beautiful. D. D. Dal with dhamma on the top. Do. Do. So with fatha, we add A. With kasra, we add E. With dhamma, we add O. So it's going to be da, di, do. Da, di, do. Anyone remembers this letter? It looks like dal, but has dot on the top. Beautiful. Zal. Zal. And pronounced as Z in English. So if I see zal with fatha on it, I pronounce it as excellent. Za. Za. Zal with kasra underneath it, you will add E to it, to the pronunciation of zal. So it's going to be beautiful. Z. Z. Zal with dhamma on it, you add O. Zoo. Zoo. Z. Z. Zoo. Z. Z. Zoo. What letter is that? Yes, re. Re, you pronounce it as excellent, R in English. So re with fatha on it, it's called ra. Ra. Re with kasra underneath it, you pronounce it as re. Re. What about re with dhamma on it, on the top? You pronounce it as ru. Ru. Ra. Ri. Ru. Again. Ra. Ri. Ru. Zain. Zain. You pronounce it as Z in English. But when you see the Zain has fatha on the top, you pronounce it as za. Za. What about Zain with kasra underneath it? You add E to the pronunciation. So it's going to pronounce as Z. Z. Zain with dhamma on the top, you add O to the pronunciation of Zain. So it's going to pronounce as zoo. Zoo. Za with fatha. Z with kasra. Zoo with dhamma. Za. Z. Zoo.